we run some powerful programs that teach life skills and improve learning abilities in kids. Today, we are at C.K. Goenka International School, Oshiwara, Mumbai. We are conducting a very powerful workshop here by the name Igniting Minds. Igniting Minds is a powerful workshop where we teach certain processes and techniques to kids which will improve their learning abilities and results in life multifold. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you glimpses of the workshop. Let's see what kids have learned in the past 1.5 hours in the workshop. It's been 1.5 hours that the kids are in the workshop. Let's see what they are doing, right? Now at first, I'm going to take you to the classroom which has age group 8 to 11 kids. Let's go and see what they're doing right now. That has kids age group 12 to 16, and let's see what they have created, what they have learned.
I am happy and grateful to find my dream to go to US and become a brilliant surgeon. I am Gayatri Star and I am happy and grateful to be a good player and getting a respect for life. I am happy and grateful to hold the World Cup trophy and be the captain of the Indian cricket.
I am happy and grateful for achieving my life's main goal of being the head astrophysicist in SpaceX.
Alright parents, now I'm going to take you to the classroom that has kids from the age group 5 to 7. Let's see what they are doing. Let's see what they are doing.
Okay, so we are going to do Ekta Paach. So now we are starting Ekta Paach. Ekta Paach, Paachka Ek. We are doing it together. Taking on the
Alright parents, this is a very exciting and powerful workshop regarding the glimpses you just saw. I'm signing off. Thank you so much.